Hello everybody, Chad Davis here from St.Albert Dodge. We have a 2021 Ram 1500 Classic. You got all blacked out bumpers. It's the express package with the blacked out grille. Got a sport performance hood, 20-inch blacked out wheels, turn signal indicators. You have a tow package here on the back. You have 4-pin to 7-pin wiring. Also some LED lighting on the back for hooking up if you're in the dark. You have a backup camera, and then you also have the box. Come on inside to the interior.
Hey guys, it's Max here at St.Albert Dodge from Ultra Auto, checking out the interior of this 2021 Ram 1500 Express. Going over it, some great options inside this truck. We got all your power options, windows, locks, and mirrors. You got steering wheel controls. You got your nice touch screen here with Bluetooth connectivity. Push button 4-wheel drive. You got your automatic transmission shift knob. Heated seats, heated wheel, traction control. This truck is a 6-seater. You got the bench seat up front, 3 cup holders, nice center console with lots of room. And then you can fold it right on up, get anybody you want right up here next to you. Super awesome, super easy. Pretty much wraps up the interior. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.